Stop! Where's the ball, guys? I lost the ball. No way! But do you hear it? I think it's cat. Oh my gosh, guys! It's really cat. Look, guys! I think it's OIIAOIIA cat. No way! Guys, what if I say you that OIIAOIIA cat is existing in real life? Just oh my gosh, it's real. Guys, if you see this cat, just pin the like this video because it's really nice. Look, oh my god. If you want, guys, catch me this cat, just smash the like this video right now. I'm really excited, guys. It's really OIIAOIIA cat. Oh my god. What? No way, cat is disappeared, but what? Oh my god, guys. What is that? It's phone? But why it's here? I am alone. Oh my god, no way, guys, it's really cat is calling me. Guys, if you know anything about this, let me know in the comments right now, because it's anomaly that cat is calling me. Guys, I really want to know why cat is disappear here, but it's calling me. Let's know right now. Hello, cat, it's you? Why you disappear and why you calling me? What? What? You scare people, but I just wanna touch you. Where you disappear? Oh my gosh. No, I don't see you. I see it's there. What? Cat? Cat is disappeared, guys. No way. But I see. Look, guys. Look, it's a cat. Oh my gosh, guys. It's a really cat. It's saying me that cat scaring people, but oh my gosh, I don't see him. Where's the cat? Oh my god. No way, I see it. It's so fast, guys. Oh my gosh. And what? One more? Guys, it's so much cats in this city. This cat disappeared, but it's still spinning. Oh my. It's behind this tree. Are you ready? 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Cat is disappeared, but I saw one there. Let's check there. Guys, did you ever seen OIIAOIIA cat in your life? If you already saw it, just write the comment. If you don't, also write the comment that you don't. And if OIIAOIIA cat is calling you, also write the comment, because I want to know how much people meet OIIAOIIA cat, guys. So I don't see anything. Oh my gosh, it's really cat. Oh my gosh, maybe this time I will catch. No way, guys. Oh my gosh, where this cat comes from? It's a, oh my gosh, it's so nice car. Oh my god. But where's the cat? Where's the cat? It's disappeared again. Maybe it's always disappearing when I see this. Guys, maybe cat wants play with me. Maybe it's not scary. Maybe it wants show me where the cat is living. I don't know. Maybe you know. Oh my gosh, what is going on with this city? Wow! Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's OIIAOIIA cat is calling me again. No way. Hello, cat, it's you? Why are you calling me? And why are you disappearing always? What? You wanna play with me? With me? But why? Because I already saw you? Oh my gosh, but where are you? You're not alone? Oh my gosh, guys, there are a lot of OIIA cats. Okay, okay. Can you show me your friends? Oh my gosh, it's real. Okay, but I see you. Oh my gosh, guys, I see the cat. Guys, it's over there. Oh my gosh, guys. I see it. Guys, this cat is real and it's spinning right now. It wants to show me that I can catch it, and it's spinning for you guys. I think I can catch him a little bit close. Let's go. No way, it's a really big river. Oh my gosh. But cat, no way, it's disappeared again. Oh my gosh. What's wrong with this cat? But actually, guys, it's no one living here. No people here. Only cats. Guys, what do you think? Maybe it's a scary place? Maybe it's old buildings where cats live in are? Guys, if you know something, just let me know in the comments. But really, this place is scaring me. Oh my gosh. As you can see, guys, this is place, this area with really bad road. Maybe it means that I really in the place. I don't know. Oh my gosh, just look this building. And maybe cats living here. I don't know why cat. Maybe it's invite me in this place. But for what? No way, look, it's really old building here and nobody living there. Maybe it's a place where cats live in. Oh, look, this sticks looks like for cats. Like cats moving by this stick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look guys. Really scary place. Oh my god. Guys, I hear something, but I'm really scary. This place really scared me. Oh my god. I see some. Did you see? Are you hear it? It's one more broke building. Oh my god, something inside this area. Oh my god. Okay guys, okay, let's check. I'm really scary this, but I wanna check what's inside this. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, guys, it's a lot of cats. Look just. Oh my god. So guys, I understand that OIIA cats living inside of old or destroyed building like this, or this, and this. I don't know, is it safety to be near this cat, but I know where OIIA cats living are, and they knows that I know it. So if you know any information about OIIA cats, just let me know in the comments, and maybe I found some people and materials and I can show you how these cats living. Maybe we can catch this cat. So guys, if you want, smash the like this video, write the comment, subscribe me, and oh my gosh guys, look, it's that building where I found OIIA cat. No way. Oh my gosh, it's new one. Oh my god. So guys, see you in the next video.